So we're going to do point slope form now. So if you read the directions, it says write the point slope form of the equation. Remember, these are a lot easier than y equals mx plus b because you don't have to find b for point slope. You don't need the y-intercept. You just need point and slope. Okay.
No, I just take it in.
All right, so point slope. Who remembers the form for point slope?
Y.
Okay, so all we have to do really is find the slope. Now, we're dealing with a perpendicular line. And so what are you going to do with the slope right here? Flip it and what? Opposite of the negative, right? So it's going to be positive. So our slope is going to be 2/3 flipped. And since there's a negative there, the new slope is going to be positive.
Okay, so just flip it.
Flip it and change the sign. That makes it perpendicular to the original line. And they already gave you x1 and y1, so we'll just label that. That's your first y value, that's your first x value. And now all we have to do is just replace that stuff. So y1 is going to be replaced with 5. x1 is going to be replaced with 4. And the slope is going to be replaced with 3. Whoops, that's not the slope. Slope is going to be replaced with 3/2. So that's what happens when you replace everything. This one works out pretty good because both these values are positive. So if it was subtracting a negative, it would become positive. But that's your answer. And so this one only really requires at most 3 steps. Find the slope, write the equation for point slope, plug the stuff in. What's, looking at number 8, what would be perpendicular to a slope of -1?
Would it be just 1?
Yeah, okay. Just making sure.